Meanwhile, I do want to ask you about another big story we've been following. That is from the Supreme Court. Chief Justice Roberts pausing that order from the Trump administration, returning a man mistakenly deported to a prison in El Salvador. He was supposed to come back by midnight, though this latest update seems to put a big question mark on that. What's next in that case?
He said an awful lot.
Exactly. And just to answer your question as to what's next, big question mark there. The Chief Justice issued that order staying this midnight deadline for tonight, saying that the attorneys representing the plaintiff, Kilmar Abrego Garcia, had to file their response to the Supreme Court by 5 p.m. tomorrow. It actually turned out that they filed their response just a few minutes after the justice issued his order staying this deadline, clearly something that had been in the works already. So I think now, again, the ball is back in the Supreme Court's hands. It remains to be seen if they, lift this. This was issued as an administrative stay, the kind of thing that is typically done to allow sort of more arguments and more briefs to move forward. But at this point, I've reached out to the attorneys for Abrego Garcia, this man who is currently, as far as we understand, being held in an El Salvadoran prison. No response yet, but safe to say that, this is not the news that the family was looking for.
An eventful start to the week at the White House. Jacob Garden-Schwartz, our White House producer and reporter. Jacob, thank you.